Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back again in the middle of the night with another unboxing. You saw me unbox this super nice white backpack from Gaston Luga like a couple of weeks ago, and I really like it. I found it that when you have a backpack that have a large gap like this opening, it's much easier to pack than the other backpacks that I have. But since we have autumn in Sweden, since I got that backpack, I think it have been raining here constantly. Yeah, as I said, so a white backpack, cotton white backpack, isn't so suitable when it's raining all the time. So I got myself a product, a backpack that I have just for rain, just for rainy weather, water. It's called Splash, spelled in a Swedish English way. But the whole thing with this is that it can take the rain and keep the stuff that you have inside dry. I really like the color. They have a couple of colors. There were an orange one, I think, that I also liked a lot, but I thought that this green one was going to look the best. This is a bit smaller than this one, I think. I think so. And that suits me fine for a daily use, because this one is good enough for a weekend trip. Maybe a bit much for daily, especially now in the autumn and winter when I have my jacket on me instead of just carrying it with me just in case. So this one will be just fine for a daily use. Yeah, it's a bit smaller. I like the buttons on the side, which makes it tighter and then more water protected when it's closed. And my discount code that I have, I think is SirPierre10. Check the link in the description just to be sure, or in the description. Plus they have things on sale, and my discount code still works. So if you buy something now with my discount code, you're gonna get a really nice price. I'm gonna fill it up and show you what it looks like, but so far everything is sort of not rubbery, I wouldn't say that. No rubber smell either, it's sort of a minty smell. Yeah, a minty smell. But otherwise, still simple. We have a computer pocket and a pocket with a zipper, a small pocket with a zipper. We have sort of padding in the back, and then we have two outer pockets with zipper that are big enough for phone, passport, keys. I usually have my keys outside of the bag because I want them easy to reach. And sometimes I also have my car keys in my backpack, and since I put my backpack in the back seat and I have keyless go in the car, I still want the car to feel the keys. So our outer pocket for the keys is a must for me. So let's put some things in it and see what it looks like. In a lack of things to find, I just put my new jacket in here and a pillowcase, and it looks like it's not even filled. As I said, the sizing is nice, and the material is waterproof, premium material, whatever that is, but it doesn't smell like plastic. It smells nice. And then it says it fits most laptops 11 to 13 inches. And the liter volume, I don't know, but check the website. So just normally, you close it like this, like your normal backpack. And then when you really want it to be waterproof, you close the sides and then you roll the top like this, and then you close it. So now there is no chance for any water to get inside the backpack. And I think I'm gonna do, because as I said, it's raining all the time out here, I think I'm gonna do a video outside when it's raining. But so far, this is what a backpack looks like. I really like the color, olive green color with the black. And sizing is nice. I think that this is a unisex size. Yeah, it's nice. Gaston Luga name, Stockholm, Sweden. I like it. And I just checked the website. The sale price at the moment is under 90 euro, and then with my discount, so yeah, it's a really nice price of the bags at the moment. So this might be it. I might show you outside when it rains, but hey, it's waterproof. I don't doubt that for a minute. If you have any questions, let me know. Check the description for the discount code. I think it's Surfchat10. I'm not super sure about that. Let me know, do you have any backpacks from Gaston Luga? What do you need in a backpack? My need this time was a waterproof backpack. Yeah, tired. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share, like, and have a nice day.